All right, so you just watched two videos explaining different kinds of warm-ups. Now I'm going to show you kind of what I typically do with my kids for their warm-ups. It's been 6 months since I've done this because we've been out of school. So if I blank or stop for a minute, it's because I'm trying to remember what we do. My high school credit kiddos, you guys did this last year, so you know it pretty well. Everyone else, just try and follow along and pay attention. I do want you to get up and give this video a try because we're going to start working these into our class period. Maybe not the entire routine, but at least a few things just to get the blood flowing. So I got to go all the way back there. Hold on. I did not dress appropriately for working out today, but as you can see there, you still need quite a bit of room. So if we were in a group setting, we would all be doing this with our hands to make sure we had enough room. But it's COVID season, so we have to do this anyway to make sure that we are far apart. So the first thing that I like to do is just have you guys stand in a neutral pose and to just get real quiet and inside of your head. So we stop talking about whatever, we get off of our cell phones if you're on them, even though you're not supposed to be, and you just stand there still. The first thing that we do is a head stretch to the right shoulder and then to the left shoulder. And I generally do our movements about 10 times. I usually have a classmate counting or up there with me to help keep me on track, and I've already lost count of how many times we've done this. And I like to start from the top of the head and work my way down. So after we do that, we do shoulder rolls forward for 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. I guess I don't have to be this far away. 9, 10, 11, 12, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then little rolls forward with your arms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we do big rolls forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we just warmed up our head, our neck, and our shoulders, and now we're going to move on to our torso. So we spread our legs about a little more than hip width apart. You put your arms out, and we're going to rotate. So you want to keep your legs straight forward and only rotate the core from your stomach. This is actually a really good ab workout too if you do it right. So I find if you kind of clench your derriere, that'll help your hips to stay forward and not move too much. And then we do that again 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then you bring your legs back together. Really did not wear the right clothes for doing warm-ups today. I should have worn pants. So now we're going to move down and we're going to work on stretching our back and our legs a little bit. So up here, and we just go and we touch our different toes for 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then from there, I like to widen the stance a little bit more, and we're just going to spend 10 seconds on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then over to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up and to the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and roll slowly up. Starting to get out of breath because I haven't done this in so long. All right, and then we put feet together and we do what I call a ragdoll down. So that's you just have to like go limp and fall down. So ragdoll down. And just kind of hang there, let your head roll around, let your arms swing, and then we roll up for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. High. And then we do an airplane down. So that's more of a direct, like, down. Okay, so, and roll up for 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From there, we're going to warm up our legs some more. So I am, again, not wearing the best outfit for this, but you're just going to kick your booty, as I say, for 10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as you can see, if we were all in the classroom and we're in rows, we actually have enough room in the classroom to be able to do that one and be stationary. So the last physical warm-up that I'm going to show you for today is the favorite one of all of my kids. I have to take off my glasses for this. It's called Shake It Off, not to be confused with the Taylor Swift song. So shake off, you just are working your way through all of your limbs and shaking, basically. There is another physical warm-up, but I'll save it till we know each other a little better because we all look really silly when we do it. So shake off, you start with the number 6, and you count down, or I'm sorry, you count up to 6, and then with each round you count less. So just practice with me. So right hand up, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you go down to 5. But as you go down a number, you also want to go a little bit faster each time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And that's it. And you have to scream when you do 1, but it's really weird to do it when you're by yourself. So you don't have to scream when you do 1 if you don't want to. All right, that's enough for now. Let's move on to the vocal exercises.